What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we're back outside. I'm shooting on the GoPro. I switched back to this for our vlogs. Got all the equipment out here, back here, running crazy hot. Actually, the next 3-4 weeks might just be vlogs for the business. But got a new Echo backpack sprayer for weed control, more N-Ext products. Got a mess everywhere, just running hot. Gonna cut my yard. We got to run the fertilizer route. All of them are getting their second application of fertilizer, and then Friday we're getting mulch dumped. So I don't even know if this will all be in this video, but all those things got to get done. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. There you go, there's the final look. Awesome. Off to do our one lawn. Done on that one. I didn't really record because it's so windy. By the way, shout out to Derek with the Boys Landscaping. He got me a 3-pound spool of Echo Black Diamond for my birthday, so we're running that now. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's good stuff so far. It cuts a lot better than what I was using before, which is just some Rhino Tough line from Home Depot. I don't know why it's still in here, but I just have to give it to somebody or finish it up. But now what we're gonna go ahead and do is go talk about fertilizer, what kind of stuff we're gonna be throwing down today. I got GreeneEffect, GreeneEffect Start, all that's got to go down today, and emptying out all the fertilizer I got, and based on soil tests, we're gonna give it to the customers that need it based on the analysis of fertilizer. So when we get back to the garage, I'm gonna talk about that now. So we have the old GreeneEffect Pro. We have this at 0.75 pounds of N, so that's 3 pounds per 1,000 times 10 is about 30 pounds in the bucket here. And we have X-Start. This is high in phosphorus, so 0.75 of phosphorus. And then our potassium will be getting 0.5 about. And I got 30 pounds in each bucket, and we're gonna roll out, get these 2 buckets down. Let's go. So shout out to Turf Therapy. He picked me up some new nozzles. This is the T-Jet air induction nozzle. I'll put all the specs up on the screen for it. Shout out to Turf Therapy. I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner to one of his videos. I'll leave his channel in the description. What I'm gonna do is put some water in here and just test it out on the driveway, recalibrate it, and see how it runs with this new air induction nozzle. He gave me the fan tip nozzle. We're running that on the Echo backpack sprayer. And then one more nozzle that I can't remember what it's called, but we're gonna be testing those out for you guys this season. So shout out to Turf Therapy. Thank you, my brother. No mic, guys, so excuse the bad audio, but look at that. The new T-Jet nozzle completely kept that all clean. That was coated last time, as well as my shoes that only have a little bit. Check it out, guys. You can see where I sprayed yesterday's stripes from earlier in the video, but it looks real good. Now while I do the front section, I'm gonna set up a sprinkler to get this all watered in back here, because I'm not really sure the next time it's gonna rain, so let's go get a sprinkler. That application is getting itself watered in, all ready to go. Tight domination line where the humic was sprayed. We're gonna let it go 10-15 minutes on this spot here. Just flip the sprinkler, put it on the other side. Just letting this humic get watered in. I don't want it to leave any stains or anything on the grass, even though it'll probably rain in the next few days. But you never know. So we're just being safe, getting it watered in. All right, guys, I'm pretty much wrapping up the video here. I had intentions of doing a lot more work, but after putting together a whole project, cleaning out the sprayer and such, I got to get ready and go do some estimates anyway. This is one of those nozzles I was telling you about. Shout out to Turf Therapy for that. Wanted to also show you, since this video started, I built a shelf for my sprayers, glyphosate, and then weed control. So if they're off the ground, I can get the side discharge chute and some extra bags of stuff underneath. RGS, Aerate, Dethatch, Humic, N-Charge, Green Punch RGS, FloraGreeene, GreeneEffect, Green Pop, Microgreene, Green Start, more Green Punch, and then everything else up top. Gas over here. All these are gassed up. So now we're gonna do a quick time lapse of me cleaning this place up, and we'll wrap the video up. So. Well, here you have it. That's pretty much what my shop looks like. And then all the rest of my stuff sits over there. I'll give you a quick tour. Up here, we just keep extra stable, extra oil, weed control, extra light bulbs, lighters, string, anything we need. Here back in this corner, this is new, as I talked about before. Extension cords, my cool open sign I have. We have backpack and hand can sprayers down there on the shelf I built. Underneath, we've got side discharge chute and a bunch of random ratchets, scrap wood, irrigation, just buckets, and then there's cleaning stuff inside. We got drill, whole bunch of miscellaneous, motor oil, car washing stuff. Pretty much here, liquid fertilizers, stuff you need, super clean, gas, you name it. Then over here, this isn't normally how we have it. I'm getting ready for jobs this weekend. Sprayer, combi system. Then we have the Ryobi weed whacker with the hedge trimmers. I normally keep that in the back corner. I don't normally use it at all. Wagon, backpack blower, which I'm selling. Shout out to Garrett with Falcon Hands Lawn Care. That'll be his soon. I'm going to get a 600. Taurus Super Recycler, hand tools, new racks are on order for this. Earthway 2600A Plus. Going to replace that with a spiker soon. And then wheelbarrow. And then, you know, here we got miscellaneous baggers, whatever, more random stuff here, and gloves back there, and extra fertilizers, granulars. It's all the granular I've left. I used up the rest. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna go ahead and do it for this video. I know I had a lot more work planned to get done, but as you guys know, there's gonna be multiple vlogs you guys will be seeing from me grabbing our rag we use to wipe off the sidewalk in case we get any liquid fertilizer on it. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed sticking around, checking out the vlog. There's going to be more to come this weekend. I got more fertilizing work to do. Mulch, got mulch coming right here, 5 yards black. Got mulching to go do, so stay tuned. With that, I'm Maiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Take care. See you next weekend.